Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the High Tech Redneck. Never thought I'd see you guys out here, but nonetheless, out here enjoying this beautiful wilderness, and got some gear that I would like to do a review on, let you guys know a little bit more about, and so we'll get into that right after this. Alright, guys, so we have the Drumore XL by Amok. I don't know if you guys have heard of these. If you haven't, that'd be a good reason why you're watching the video, right? So anyhow, this has been one of the best sleeping systems that I've found to camp with anywhere, anytime, any place. They're warm, they're easy to pack, and they're 3 different parts. So this one's the XL. This is just the regular Drumore. This is meant for people a little bit over 6 foot and above. Works really well. Like I said, you can't really find anything better unless you're gonna bring a huge tent and a cot and the mattresses and the whole 9 yards. So again, best way I've found, especially when it comes to motorcycle camping. Smallest thing that I have found. They also have a rain fly that is specifically made for the Drumore, and here in a minute we'll get this all set up and show you how everything works. All right, so in the bag, when you first pull it out and when you pack it, if you can help yourself, you make sure that you leave your little tags out. This one's sewed directly to the bag, so you don't have to worry about that one so much. This one is your red, and if you're looking in a direction that you want to be facing with your feet out in front of you, red, which is port side as it's labeled here, will go on your left. The green will go to your right. So come over here. Alright, so when you're putting this buckle through here, obviously you can't get much easier, slip it through, but you don't want this point pointing towards the hammock. You want to flip it just like that, and then you get your tag end here, and then you pull it tight just like that. Really easy. Really can't get much easier of a setup than that, you know what I mean? Minimal tools, you don't have to bring it, there's no post or anything. Everything goes into its own individual bag. Like, you really just can't get much better than that. So yeah, what we're gonna do next is get our air mattress blown up. So here's the air mattress, nothing special about it. Pull it out, and you get a couple patches and a bag to blow it up. These are extremely heavy duty mattresses also. Five or 6 good full air bags, and you're all inflated. Now what makes this special is that, as you can see here, the bars run lengthways this way. If you were to get one where the bars run this way, not gonna work. It'll fold up on you, and not fun, trust me. Just ask me how I know. You're gonna want to fold it like a taco. Valve in first. There, slips in nice and perfectly. You ain't got to worry about it sliding out. Nice zipper, and then we'll roll this end up. There's little snaps in here, like so. And you guys are gonna have to deal with my mic being on the outside of my shirt because this thing does not want to stay worth shit. Alright, so I'll show you what that's for. Follow me around this side. In this pouch is a nice elastic string, and as long as you're fairly gentle with it, it won't get too badly tangled. Take this, fold this over, and throw it over your top string here. Okay, and back around here. Now you take that elastic band, nice little snap. I mean, I don't know how else to make this any clearer, guys. I'm not that most excitable of a guy, but I'm telling you, I absolutely love this freaking thing. It's the only way I will sleep outdoors. To hell with your cots and all that garbage. I bring this with me. I'm comfortable. I'm dry. And again, when they thought of it, they thought of everything. You might have been asking what that string was for. Well, here we go. Mind you, I have this set up a little bit higher than what I would normally have it, and I will lower it here in a moment. Just want to get her set up first. And voila. There's your bug net. And I've used it, I don't know, a handful of times, and it definitely helps keep a little bit of the heat in too. So if it's the middle of summer, you know, it can get a little bit warm in this setup, but overall it's really not that bad. So now what I'll do is I'm going to lower it down, and then we'll get ready to put the rain fly on it. Oh, and I almost forgot. They sell now. They didn't have them when I got these, but there's a pocket here and a pocket under here. And what we're going to do is take a good stick, and that's going to prop your foot box and your head box open so you have a little bit of room so stuff's not on you. We'll do that, and then we'll do the rain fly. I'm not sharpening the point, I'm just trying to round it off just so there's no sharp edges, and make sure there's no sticky pokies that are gonna put a hole in anything. Okay. I may have made it too short. I don't know. It's been a while. Not perfect, but you get the idea. There's that. So, let's get it down so my old ass can get in it. Real simple to let it down. You grab your red tab or your green tab on the other side and just give her a little yank, and that'll lower everything down, get you where you want to be, and level her out a little. Well, if you're wanting to get in it, here's a couple close-up shots. Obviously nothing real fancy about it. So obviously, drink holder does what a drink holder does. Hold your drink. Throw your phone in there. And then, so simply, you want to try to stay with your center point. And just kind of climb on in. Yeah, and that's all there is to it, really. I mean, we got some cinches on either side, and they're gonna draw you right up. And to keep yourself from sliding out, we'll tighten these bad boys up, and there you go. I mean, you're not getting much better than that, other than if I had my little stick back here like I should have it. Yeah, and then when you're ready to take a nap, lay back, and you can lay in any position. Your side, your belly. See you guys later. Finish the video in a little bit. So, nonetheless, that's that. And then to get out, simple. No fighting. So much better than traditional hammock. Now, we'll get the rain fly out and show you what it looks like over top of this. Alright, so as you can see, I got most of it up. I don't think I have my teepee quite oriented properly, but I'm going to show you how to solve this problem here. We're just going to grab a stick. And we'll loosen this up. Oh boy. I need something. This. Take the bag, put it over here. So we're not killing that. Like so. Not too shabby. Put this side up a little bit. Alright, so if you really needed to, you could fold this all up so you got room to cook or whatever you needed to. I mean, it's a fairly decent sized rain fly. So overall, I really enjoy it, and I think you will too. Go ahead and give it a try if you're looking for something that is a little bit more comfortable when you're out in the woods, or for that matter, if you're just trying to lighten up the load on a motorcycle or backpacking trip, this could be your answer. So thank you for sticking with us on this small adventure of ours, and I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.